What's good, wealth builders? It's your boy Devon back again with another video. And today we're talking about how to not go broke Christmas shopping. Let's go. Okay, real quick, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. How to not go broke Christmas shopping. Okay, so there's literally like 2 or 3 steps to this, right? Number one, have a budget. You need a budget, okay? So for everyone you're shopping for, there should be some type of budget, okay? You spend $200 on this person, $100 on that person, whatever it is, $50, whatever it is. You have a simple budget that you don't divert from. You don't change from. You know what I'm saying? This is the budget. This is what you need to buy under that budget. All right? Do not be like most people go online and like, yeah, I only want to spend about $200 for this person, and you spend $250. Or so now you feel bad because the other person, you put them at $150, you're gonna pump it up for $50 because you spent $250 on this person. You know what I'm saying? Or you go to the store and you're like, man, these shoes is $150. I know this person will really like them, but I put them at a budget of $100. Stick to the 100. Stick to your budget, okay? Honestly, we should have been practicing this all year, sticking to a budget on things you want to spend on, right? So when Christmas came around, A, you saved money to shop with, and B, you learned how to stick to a budget in some form or fashion, okay? Number 2, if you're gonna shop online and shop through portals that give you cash back for shopping through them, like Rakuten, iConsumer, these different portals that pay you basically to shop. Okay, they give you money back to shop through them, so you get whatever percentage back for whatever you purchase on whatever shop that you go through. If you want to shop on Amazon, if you want to shop on Walmart.com, if you want to shop on Target.com, if you want to shop on eBay.com, whatever it is, you go through these portals, and usually they have those as options to shop through, even Macy's, all these different websites, right? You're able to shop through this portal, and you get cash back for shopping with them, okay? And the third way to not go broke during Christmas or Christmas shopping is only shop for a limited amount of people. Only shop for your kids and your wife, or your husband and your kids, or, you know what I'm saying? Not everybody. Not everyone. Because not everyone deserves a Christmas present from you, my guy, my girl. Not everyone deserves one, okay? Not everyone helped you this year. Not everyone was a good friend this year. Not everyone was a good dad or mom this year. Okay? Let's be real. Just because you know these people doesn't mean you have to buy them something. Yes, it comes out the kindness of your heart, but it doesn't have to be that way. You don't have to spend your money. You don't have to go broke. You don't have to skip paying the light bill. You don't have to skip paying the gas bill. You don't have to skip paying the car note. You don't have to skip paying the insurance for Christmas presents. See what I'm saying? Don't go in debt. Don't go broke to impress other people this Christmas. I got you a gift, guy. I got you a gift. Nah, B. No. If you gotta pay a bill, pay the bill. Pay the bills first, and then go Christmas shopping. That should be number 4, right? Pay the bills first and then go Christmas shopping. That's how you definitely don't go broke. Pay all your bills first. All of them. Even if they do and deep into this December. Pay the bills first. Pay all your bills first. And then go Christmas shopping. I know it doesn't sound fun, it doesn't sound sexy, it doesn't sound cool. It sounds real rough, right? Like, I pay my bills first and whatever's left over. Because most people don't have much left over, right? After they pay their bills. Hey, like I said, if you would have took the time to save, budget during the year, Christmas wouldn't be so hard. This is why what we did yesterday affects our today, and what we do today affects our tomorrow. Right? Keep that in mind. So if you budget, if you save and stack during the year as much as possible, come Christmas, you got a nice little stack to play with. But you didn't. So now everyone around you gotta suffer. Okay, the people that you would have bought presents for, and you gotta suffer because you wanted to buy these presents for them, but you didn't. Right? Sucks. But we live and we learn. So this is how you don't go broke Christmas shopping. Number one, set a budget for everybody you're shopping for. Set a budget. Number two, use sites like Rakuten, iConsumer, and stuff like that to get cash back when shopping. Which there will be links in the description for that. That's so you can check those out. That's so you can not have to pay. You can get this money back when you're shopping. And number three, budget, save during the year. That's so you can have money for Christmas when Christmas comes around. And number four, pay for your bills first and then go Christmas shopping. That's how you don't go broke during Christmas. Alright? So thanks for watching. Sign up for the newsletter, the Business Corner. Also, in January we'll be dropping the Business Corner fully, officially, Monday through Friday, but I'm thinking about every Sunday or Saturday, I'm gonna come up with a plan for it, but every Sunday or Saturday I'm gonna come with the Business Corner wrap up, and I'm gonna just pretty much talk about different things and what's happening in the world of business during the week. Short commentary on my part. If you're interested in that, definitely let me know, because that's something I'm planning on doing either Saturday or Sunday of every week, dropping that video. I like to drop videos on certain days of the week. Also, we're going to get back to business come January. We're going to get back to talking about how to start certain businesses. Also, we're going to talk about businesses versus businesses, like, for instance, big companies like Pepsi versus Coca-Cola, Walmart versus Target, FedEx versus UPS. And we're going to break down these companies versus each other and the competitiveness that these companies are pushing on each other, and how it affects your wallet, the history behind these companies, how you can use these videos for inspiration and stuff like that, just to break down. I like to look at this stuff, and I figured I start a video segment on my channel about that. So yeah, that's coming next year also. So again, thanks for watching. This is how you don't go broke during Christmas. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
It's the Wealth Builders, baby.